I grabbed this little beauty at one of the local used building materials stores, and they also take donations of used furniture, and I think it goes to help the homeless or something. Anyway, I get sick of borrowing chairs from the dining room, and I needed a chair to sit on while I'm using the computer. Yeah, that's what I paid for it. I was looking for an office chair, but they didn't have anything, but I figured this one is going to do just nicely. It looks like it might actually be comfortable. It only has one problem. It needs... well, you'll see. As you can see, there's something very wrong right here. It looks like the bottom of the chair is made out of OSB. Anyway, it appears to be cracked all the way across, so I'm definitely going to have to replace this piece. So it's just a matter of getting the legs off of it and getting the pedestal off of it and open it up and see how bad it actually is. So I'll start by taking out these Robertson screws and then taking out the bolts that hold the pedestal to the bottom of the chair. I like the upholstery on this chair. It's a bit faded, but I like the design. Yeah, the bottom does appear to be made out of 3/8" OSB. I'll definitely be using plywood instead. I'll probably use 3/8" plywood or possibly even 1/2" plywood. And all of these little, these 4 little metal cleats, for lack of a better word, these can be popped out and holes will be drilled in the new base, the new bottom of the chair. And I'll be putting these little cleats back in so that the pedestal can be bolted back on. Now, the upholstery is stapled in place, so it's a matter of removing these staples so I don't rip the upholstery. And I have a couple of things here that might be useful for getting the staples out. One of them is a dedicated staple remover. We'll see how that works. If that doesn't work, well, this flat screwdriver should work. In my opinion, OSB wasn't really the best choice for something like this. I think plywood would have been a much better material to use, considering the fact that it's supporting weight, also having to withstand movement, people leaning back in the chair, and so on. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using plywood. All in all, everything else looks pretty good, so hey, I'm happy with my $5 score. Okay, so in this video I took the chair apart and found out exactly what I'm going to need in order to fix it, and there's going to be a part 2, so stay tuned. So if you found this video interesting, entertaining, or helpful in some way, please don't forget to like it, and you can also leave comments in the section below. Thanks for watching.